Hey guys, well, here's a video of another fan that's leaving the collection. This is especially for YouTube user Rustybearing45 because this fan is going to him. This is that one Superlectric box fan that I bought off of eBay. As y'all know, I have one almost like it, except it's a bit newer with the plastic motor. Oh, this one's has the metal motor. The reason I'm getting rid of it is because it's kind of almost the same as the other one. Pretty much the same thing, albeit with a different motor. And I've already got another one with the metal motor, and that's one with the older blades, which I have yet to show. But this one is exactly like the one that I had as a kid, but I'm having to part ways with it because I'm running out of room and I need more variety in my collection. Also, I'm shipping this to him in this box. I had my 78 K23 in that, but I bought one off of eBay that actually came with its box, and Brian, Rusty Bearing, has the exact fan that came with this very box, and I thought I'd just ship it in this to him so that this box will be reunited with the fan that came with it. And also the 78 K23 is going to the Fanmore man. Yeah. This is the box. Anyway, let's have one more look around at this. And we'll fire it up. There's one side. Looks like it's got some scratch marks down there. There's the other side. Front of the back. As I said, this has the original motor they use in these fans. Original style motor. Now look at the top. And as you can see, no handle! Well, it did have a handle on there, but that wasn't even its original handle. That was a packing handle I had for it for a while. Then when I decided to part ways with this, I put that handle on an EXL box fan that I have, which I also have yet to show. And there's the speed dial and sticker. Anyway, back to the plot at hand. Here's high, and it kind of has that buzz startup, at least on high. Oh. Still pretty nice and quiet low. Back to high. And OFF spells off. And there you have it. So be on the lookout, Brian, when you get this fan. I plan to get it shipped out to you today. So thank you for watching, everybody, and bye for now.